putting them in the plate. We're just gonna go ahead now and drizzle a little more sugar. There you have it, guys. Our traditional Jamaican fritters. This is what I grew up on. Yeah. Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you an old recipe. And when I mean old, guys, this recipe is very old, an old traditional recipe. I grew up see my mother doing this. Whenever time she bought the banana and they stayed until they are overripe, this is what she used them to do. She used them to make banana fritters. Alrighty, so today I'm going to share with you that recipe. I have some flour. I'm going to use some flour here, vanilla extra. I have a little salt, cinnamon, and nutmeg right here. You can go ahead and put some baking powder in yours if you wish to. I don't wish to change this traditional dish at all. So as you see in here, guys, my banana is overripe, but don't watch that. The fruits on the inside is really good. It is still sustainable and good. So I'm going to peel it now and let you guys be the judge of it. You will see it. Alrighty, don't watch the overripe. It is really the fruits inside is really good. Alright guys, so let me show you how good this banana is. Tan ta da da. Look at the fruits. Now just look at the fruits. Still good. Fairly good. So we're going to just toss them in our dish right there. Alright, let me get a look at this one. Let me show you something. Look at the fruits. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead now and make our banana fritters. What I would then see my mother do next is to use a fork to crush the bananas. This is a really quick and simple recipe, guys. You can use this for dessert or just munch on them any time of the day. Really nice fritters. So this is what our overripe banana look like when it is crushed. Make sure to crush your banana properly, guys. So I'm gonna go right ahead and add in my spices. So this is my vanilla extra, salt, cinnamon, and the nutmeg. So we're going to just add this as well. Give it that nice smell, that nice flavor. And we're just going to mix properly to combine. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my flour. So I'm using the flour to combine the mixture, guys, to combine my butter. You don't need to put any water in this. Some people use a little baking powder, but I am not going to use any baking powder. I am doing it the old traditional way. I didn't see my mother use any baking powder in it, so I'm doing it exactly how I see she do it. So we're just going to mix to combine. Make sure that our butter is mixed out properly. Adding a little more flour to my butter. Then I'm just gonna go straight ahead and mix. So when you're finished mixing your butter, guys, it should be looking something like this. Nice and sticky. That sticky gummy look. So I'm gonna go ahead now and pour some oil in my pot. My oil is ready, so I'm just gonna go ahead now and scoop. So you want to make sure that your oil is hot, guys, so you get that nice golden brown color on your fritters. I'm just gonna go ahead now and I'm going to flip these fritters. Right over. So how I know when it is ready, guys, once you flip, you got to use your fork and squeeze. Make a little press on the top. So when you do that and you see nothing, you see that pulping out there, look at that white part pulping out when I press on it. So you know this is not ready. Look at this one now. These are ready to remove from our pan now, guys. Nice and brown, golden brown. So this is the color you want to have. So I'm just going to remove this right now. So we are just going to continue to fry our fritters until they're all finished. Now that our fritters are golden brown, I'm just going to remove them from the heat. Now that our fritters is finished, guys, I'm just going to plate it for you all to see. These are hot and nice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and drizzle a little sugar on top, just to top it off. Not too much. And then I'll continue to pack my fritters. So now that we are finished putting them in the plate, we're just gonna go ahead now and drizzle a little more sugar. There you have it, guys. Our traditional Jamaican fritters. This is what I grew up on. Yeah. So guys, as I say, you can use some baking powder, but I did not. I want to keep the traditional way. So, and I want to taste the stickiness and the gumminess. When you add baking powder, it changes the stickiness and the gumminess of the fritters. It is more soft than gummy. All right, look at this. Let me show you something. Look at this gumminess. That sticky and gummy. That's the taste I want to have. Baking powder change the taste. The baking powder let it a little more soft. You know, like when you fry flour, you put your baking powder in it and it give it that soft, nice feel. Right. I want the stickiness of it the traditional way. And I did not see my mother use baking powder, but you can go ahead and try it and see which of them you like. If you like it with the baking powder or without the baking powder. Alrighty, bye for now. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share my video. Thank you for liking, thank you for sharing, thank you for watching. And if you are new to my channel, I am Polly from Polly's Kitchen. Welcome.